In this video, we're going to show you how to install tailgate hinges on your Nissan Frontier located on your tailgate. Using a flathead screwdriver, going behind this little retainer clip, going to bend that out over the head of the bolt, push that forward, lift up the tailgate a little bit, release that. Now I want to go ahead and repeat this process for the other side. Now we're going to lift up the tailgate a little bit because when we remove this cable, the tailgate will drop down and hit the bumper. You do not want to damage the tailgate. Pry out this little retainer clip, push that cable, release it. At this point here, nothing is holding the tailgate up except for you and these pivots down here. Now what we're going to do is pull the tailgate. I want to pull the side of the tailgate out. This is the passenger side. You're going to rotate it to a certain point and it's going to work it out. On the driver's side, it's simply a round sleeve. So what we have to do is hold the tailgate and pull it out to the passenger side. Remove it from the vehicle. With the tailgate off, we have access to the T50 Torque Spits holding the tailgate hinges. I'm going to use our ratchet here to loosen and remove these. Now the bottom torque spit is right down here. You can try and get your ratchet down inside there. For any reason, if you can't get in there because of the step pad, you can go ahead and pop up that step pad. You can use a plastic trim tool, go up underneath the edge, and literally just pop out the buttons, securing that trim pad in place. With this pad removed, go ahead and access that lower bolt. Go ahead and remove that hinge and the lower bolt. Take your replacement hinge, put that bolt in. Go ahead and get the upper one started. Once you have these started, we can go ahead and start and tighten them down. Once you've gotten the bottom one almost all the way in, keep it loose. Let's go ahead and bring the top one in. Then we'll do our final adjustment and snug them down. Now you do want to make sure these are good and tight. Go ahead and line up your step pad. Once you have this side done, go ahead and repeat for the driver's side. Now what you're going to do is insert the driver's side tailgate into the cup. With that in there, line up the other side here with the notch. So you're going to have to pivot the tailgate a little bit, set that into it, and with that in the socket, line up your cable. Push that back, lock that on. You can also go ahead and do the driver's side while you're here. Fold those cables down, and you can go ahead and close your tailgate.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.